What's good, guys? I hope that you guys are all having a great Halloween. It is spooky season. It's Halloween. I hope that you guys are having a great October month. Today, I have another video for you guys, but it's a little bit different. I've been to places. I've been to old places. I've been to an abandoned cemetery, but this time we are at one of the first train stations ever built in Washington State. Basically, what this train station is it was built in, I think, the 1850s, and it was right near the waterfront, but it is haunted, and in a different way. Basically, there's another type of haunting. It's called a residual haunting, and what that is basically, it is a normal haunted place, but a certain event occurs multiple times, such as death. And that is what has happened at the train tracks. More than 20 people have died in the past 12 years because they have been hit by an oncoming train. And not only that, but the train station itself, since it's very old, usually something that comes with age, is abandonment if it's not being well kept. So I'm gonna go explore this residually haunted place tonight. Let's go do it right now. Alright guys, so I am at the place right now. We are right by the water, and it is time to get in this right now. I am at one of the oldest train stations in Washington State. Let's do this right now. So right off the bat, I find it pretty cool that it has like a little sign there that says the name of the city, Steilacoom. It's pretty cool. But this is it. Yeah, all these no trespassing signs. But yeah, basically they have like all these no trespassing signs, and they have this like whole like place in here. I think this is where they would get like tickets or something like that. But they have like spikes here to like prevent people from like going in there. And they have it all like boarded up and stuff, and then they also have like glass here. Definitely means that people have been here. Oh, mailbox. But they have a brick in there. What the heck? Have like more. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, they have like an opening. I can't really see in there. But they got this thing boarded up, like you're not getting in here, man. It's got locks. It's got one that's obviously broken. This one's obviously way older. This is, I'm guessing, one of the first locks they probably put on this place. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, they have like a freaking basement. Okay, probably locked from the inside. I'm really tugging on that, and that is not budging whatsoever. So it's probably locked from the inside. They got more of these. I don't quite know what these are. Alright, they probably leave beneath there, so I'm guessing that there are like skunks in there, or like raccoons or something like that. Possibly like, I don't know, rabbits. There are a ton of rabbits in these parts, so it's like something like that. Hello, Mr. Spider. Did you guys hear that? I just heard a footstep over here. I swear I just heard a footstep over here. Or like some rock just like fell. Oh! Okay. Not sure if we can get in here. No trespassing. They got that printed everywhere, but they also have apparently concrete gutters, but they also got a heck of a lot of grass up here. So basically, a ton of people have died here. So I'm gonna go for the EMF meter. I'm gonna go right here, right in the middle of this gravel. If there are any ghosts here, can you please touch that black box? If there are any ghosts here, can you please touch that black box? Alright, I think I'm gonna do the spirit box as well. If you died here, can you please say the word train? Can you say train? If you're an entity, please say rock. Please say the word rock. Alright, getting this on the temp. Oh, it's going off. Oh, it stopped. I went off for a little bit there. If you are an entity, can you please come near me? Please come near me if you're an entity. Alright. I don't think there's anything right here. Oh, they got that barbed wire. So all they got is like barrels in there, I guess. Seriously, dog? Oh, there's another spider. Do they even have anything over here? What the heck? Yo, there are like kids over there. What the heck? Oh, bro, that rabbit scared the crap out of me. There's like nothing in here. What are they protecting? What is even... Oh my gosh, look at those bushes! Bro, those are like 12 feet tall! What the heck? Man, that is nuts. Alright, I'm gonna make sure that there are no trains. I'm going to test out. Alright. I ain't scared of this. It's dark now, okay. If there are any ghosts here, can you please light up this black box? Can you please touch this black box? If there are any ghosts here, can you please touch this black box? If there are any ghosts here, can you please touch this black box? Alright, I'm gonna try one more spirit box. Turn on temp. I'm gonna walk. Just like, I think I'm gonna walk down there and just see. Currently I have it on. I'm gonna turn on the light as well. I'm gonna turn this back on. I'm just gonna have temp on for quite a bit. So if something beeps, that's the temperature reading saying that there is a sudden change in temperature. I'm just gonna walk around this little fence thing. Alright, it's not lighting up. It's not... Oh! Right as I said. Ooh. Oh, wait, look at that. Wait, hold on. Oh, it's still going off. Alright, I'm turning on. Is there any ghosts here? Can you please say the word ghost? Say ghost. Say the word train. Say train. Alright. I don't hear anything there. It's interesting. Alright, I'm going to do one last full out, all out thing. I think I'm going to do it right here. Alrighty, so I'm going to turn that on.
Campaign.
Oh, it's popping off. It's popping off. It's going off. That there. It moved! Wait, the thing just moved! The spirit box just moved! I swear, it just moved. I swear that thing really just moved. Alright. If you are ghost, demon, entity, whatever, if you died on these train tracks, if you're an entity, light the black box up. If you're an entity, please say the word house. Alright, touch the black box. Touch the black box. It'll light up. These lights will light up. Touch the black box. Make it light up. Say the word wood. Say wood. Say the word rock. Say rock. Huh. Hey. Alrighty. I think that's it. Okay, well, that is Steilacoom Train House. Anyways, guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to smash a like on the video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it would help the channel out a lot. Also, I just want to say happy Halloween. Hope you guys are having a great day. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later. Peace!